I'm Sonia Gavankar with Telecom Company TV. We're here to speak with Ken Denman, CEO of Openwave Systems, to discuss how Openwave has evolved its business to help the mobile operator and content provider benefit from the overwhelming demand for mobile data services. Ken, give us a little history on Openwave's leadership in this industry.
14 years ago, Openwave established itself as a mobile internet leader, pioneering the gateways and the protocols that would bring the internet to the circuit switch world of mobile telecommunications. Our WAP 1 and WAP 2 deployments were the first of their kind, putting the basic content and functionality of the internet into the palm of your hand. So much has changed since those early WAP days. The surge in the demand for mobile content and data services, what we're calling the data tsunami, signify the end of a distinctly mobile web and the beginning of OneWeb. But Openwave continues to do what we've always done, build software that empowers communication service providers to deliver the best internet experience to every connected device.
What challenges do you see coming from this data tsunami?
Operators are always under pressure to grow their subscriber base and prevent churn. For the most part, flat rate, all-you-can-eat data plans accomplish this. But in the wireless world, capacity, that is, available spectrum, is finite. Network operators want to add capacity. They have to pay for it. It's not cheap. The impact of unprecedented consumer demand, the rise of video content, and device diversification on service providers' bottom lines are big challenges, but they also present even bigger opportunities.
How can mobile operators turn this challenge into an opportunity?
As owners of the network, mobile operators have always had a unique position in the ecosystem. But if they want to compete in the new untethered, all IP-based information age, they need more visibility into their network and more control over what's happening on it. Then and only then can they maximize their existing bandwidth while finding ways to capitalize on the surge in traffic beyond just charging for access.
How can operators leverage their assets better?
At Openwave, we believe the answer is context-aware mediation. That is, predictive software that sits in the data path and mediates among all the different ecosystem elements, enhancing every mode of IP traffic, voice calls, tweets, streaming video, web browsing, essentially all forms of data traffic.
How is your software predictive?
Openwave's solutions are fueled by real-time analytics so that our customers can proactively optimize network resources, launch smartphone mobile services quickly, and provide contextually relevant user experience. As mobile operators upgrade their networks from 3G to 4G to support a growing variety of devices, think about your home security system streaming video to your handheld device, for instance, understanding the context around data requests will be even more essential. The operators with the clearest view of devices, content, policies, and subscriber activity on their network will not only deliver the best user experience, but they will add the most value to the rest of the ecosystem.
Explain that. Who is the rest of the ecosystem?
It is a broad term, on purpose, because it changes so quickly. For now, we're referring to the big players in the value chain, the content and app developer community, device manufacturers, online portals, advertising networks, and social networks. All of these groups are helping to advance the mobile experience because they see the opportunity. But all of them need what the operator has.
What does the operator have that is so valuable?
Well, if you're using Openwave's products, the operator can develop a 360-degree view of the mobile consumer. Not only can they see the data, they can take action, optimizing, adapting, securing, prioritizing, and much more. Put simply, the operator can bring added value as traffic flows between all those members of the ecosystem. Ultimately, this brings increased value to the most important participant of all, the consumer.
Ken, this is very exciting news. Thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate the insights into the mobile internet future that Openwave brings to us.
Thank you, Sonia. It's a pivotal time for the internet and mobility. We're excited to be well positioned right in the middle of all of it.
For Telecom Company TV, I'm Sonia Gavankar.